Ka overseas nursing job fair kabala pelong house nem baladep klala banwan ra yu so ka jingkermen ki arpinyongut ki nos na Meghalaya ki bantre ri Japan hadin bakila pendep jingpule ka ketien kategori bat ban keren tiak kum kinong Japan kine kinos kinyo bantre hakeleng ki hospital baki home care ha kategori bat kane ka jingyo ban litre Japan ka de shibenta ka scheme jonga skills Meghalaya jonga sarkar jila kabla kershan marsan pho hajar tingka Nagabantai way lingba ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society MSSDS. Ka sarkar jala lingba ka ni ka scheme kan Kershan palat lais pangot kinos hakisnem banwan badu menteri rangba ka jala Conrad ke sangma ubadan menta Japan ulalet bani kendo pat kino hikai kumju pat ki khana puli halor ka ni ka senjam bat airu ka jingkit bok jingkit ribyang yagito ki ban Sdang Trei no.
So we meet again. So how has everything been? How's the experience been from the beginning till now, including the training and all? How did the training go? Training went off well?
Yeah, it does. But at first it was so difficult for us because it's new language.
Absolutely.
New language. It's very difficult even to write those letters. Yeah, especially the kanji. It's very difficult. So, but with the help of the tutors and all, we can.
The reason why we've taken this program very seriously is because we see that there's a great opportunity. We see that people like you, that you work hard and we are there to support you. And I personally feel that starting with the two of you, it will be a very long journey. We will see many. I was telling my friends and I was telling the enough people here to have a Meghalaya Day celebration. So, apart from that, what I was telling you earlier, things may get difficult. You're away from home and all, and keep moving on. Okay, and be disciplined. Always listen to your seniors what they say. Okay, I'm sure you will. I don't have to give you a long lecture on this, but it's my duty to say it. And I was saying that you will be inspiration to many. Okay, many other girls who will want to come, other boys also will want to come.
Ka skills Meghalaya kabla pelong ya ka jingi kai ka thmu ban ai ka jing tibet iki samla ha ki jait kam paper bad ya ka program la pelong da ka MSS DS bad ka trat ka koj ka khya ha ka jingi Trei lang bad ki company ba paper ki ba ai ka lat ban hi kai ki tien bad ban yo kam yo jam ki ar pnyongut ki nos ki dei ki bla register bad ka navis ban hi kai ki tien bad ki wei pat ki benta bad ar san ngut na ki la pas tang ka sien yale exam N4 bad N5 ka baningkong bad yo ki shiti khot tungkam sangut ki nos ki la yo ya ki visa bad arngut ki la le Japan men ha ka ar pnyo trik ujamang arajar ar sao
Today, if you borrow, kerteng jong ada yai kerman kadosau, ada nak Shillong Mail Ribhoi District Meghalaya. Kajingya lenti jong nadu na Shillong hadu bangan poi ke Japan kalong kalenti ke bakalan. Oi wala shibun ki jing Henry ublei uladon rekat banga ki bahaya ngasam ki ladon rekat banga ki parlok parajon ki baju Mynsiem barabar ki baju long ki hakti kamon ki kadiang ki la penyaj be yang kalenti ba kalong kalenti kaba sutanat hadu bangan poi ko.
Hello everyone, my name is Shillong Mail. I am from Meghalaya, Nongpo Ribhoi District. I have came to know about Navis from with the help of government, the job fair which was held on 2023 August. From there I get to know about Navis. Then I came to Bangalore. I studied Japanese language in Navis Human Resource Private Limited in Bangalore. Of course, at first it was very difficult to study a new language, but with the help of the tutors, day by day we were able to learn and understand and write in Japanese. I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe for all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Conrad and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity where we can work abroad, where we not only just enhancing our skill, but we are exchanging cultures. Thank you so much for this opportunity because this kind of opportunity I could only be dream of, but today is coming true. So I would like to many of our friends who are there in Meghalaya who are still afraid to come outside to explore their dreams, achieve their dreams. Please do take this opportunity because the government is there to support you, and please do come, enhance your skills, enjoy, and let us exchange culture between countries. I would like to thank our Chief Minister Conrad for giving us this opportunity where we can walk abroad. Thank you so much, sir. Coming abroad was just only a dream for many of us, but through your help and support, we are able to come here to gain new experience. Through this experience that I received here in Japan, I would like to go and share it to our states and country. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your support and being the representative of our state. We'll try to give our best and will never let you down.
Kadba Umentri Rangba Pat Ulayetho Basakat Sangut Kinos Kilasha Penrung Hakijaka Paper Ha Singapore Lingbaki Agency Batkin Sarung Hakakam Hapot Laibanai Na Lor ka Japan ka Singapore sa Artali Kiri Kikentop ka United Kingdom Bat ka United Arab Emirates.
Last year, in the month of May, there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong, where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world. I'm here today in Japan, in Tokyo, and I will be visiting our nurses. The first batch of 2 of the nurses out of the 27 have already received their visas and other documentation, and they have already joined their place of work, and we'll be visiting them in the next couple of days to see how they are doing, how the experience has been, and also to give them the assurance and to their families that the government of Meghalaya is very much with them to support them in every way possible. Government of India is there to support them, and also to give a sense of confidence to other nurses who wish to work in other parts of the world and get these job employment opportunities, that the way the government of Meghalaya is working, the process is very professional, and the placement is also done in a very professional manner. And we would encourage all the other nurses also, those who wish to work in different parts of the world, that it is a good opportunity, it's a safe opportunity, and government of Meghalaya along with government of India is there to support you in your endeavor to find placements in different parts of the world.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ni ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.